Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to create equalizer preset for your headphone Sony Pulse 3D. You have to start by press on the PS button on your controller, then go to Sound. After that click on EQ presets, click to Standard or what preset you have, and now we have audio mode 1, 2 and 3. This is custom presets for us, so click the best one for you. Let's say I didn't create any presets, so I click to the first one. Now move to the down and click on it. Now choose the best one for you. Let's say I want a good bass. Then move to right, low I guess this one, then to right, mid this one, high I wanna hit high, and treble here, then OK, and you can move to audio preview to hear what you create. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!